Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit Chaudhary and I am creating this video for the evaluation of my backend skill test employee review system. So basically the app is to review the employees. There is two part of the app, one employee part and the admin part. And for the employee, for that employee, we can review the other employees, and for the admin part we can assign the work such as the review. We can assign the employees the reviews to review the other employees, and we can add the employees, we can delete the employees and other tasks also. Let's see the app. So this is the welcome page, and we can sign in or we can sign up. So let's sign in first. I have already created some accounts, so sign in. So this is the admin page. So in the admin page we can assign work, and this is the assign task page. So in this we can set the reviewer. If I just I set the reviewer as Ishita, and the recipient I am just doing the recipient to buy, and I'm submitting it. So the task has been assigned. So let's log in, log out. So the task was for ishita@gmail.com and the password. And you can see that the task is assigned by the admin. So the task was that I have to review for 2y. So I can just write in review. I just write in review, brilliant work. Brilliant work. And if I submit it, it has been submitted. If I now log out, then if I log in for 2by@gmail.com, then if I sign in, then you can see that brilliant work, it has been already added in the my review section. If any employee review you, then the review will added in my review section. And here we can here we can add as admin. The password for the add as admin is admin. So if I let me look into the first of all, let me show you the database. I am logged in Dubai. If you see that is admin is false here. Okay, if I just write admin and enter as admin, and now it will be added, and 2y will be added as admin. So you can see that 2y is added is admin. Is admin is true, so it is admin. And this is a database for the users, and all the users are here, and then Devjit is admin and 2y is admin, and other are false, it's not admin. So I have two review for 2y, so it is added in the review receipt form. And if I assign any work, then if I search here, then I have assigned a work for Ishita to review Shati, so it will be added here. Is where to review one element. If I do my tasks, after that if I review it has done, I have reviewed that, I have done my tasks. So after that user to review will be 0 elements because I have done the task. And if I go to the reviews database, all the reviews are here. The reviewer ID is here, and the reviewer reviewed ID is here. So that is, and if I have something to show. Yes. In the admin section, we can assign the works. We can see the employee details. This is the employee details I have added, and this is I can delete it. admin true or false. I can add the element, add the employee also. If I just add one two one two, you can see that this employee has been added here. If I come to my database, if I see here, it has been added in the database also. So this was the, you can add employee, assign the works, you can see the employee list, and if you just want to delete it, you can, it will be deleted. You can see here, sorry, you can see here, it was, it has been deleted from the database also. So there is a logout facility functionality also. You can use the forget password, and don't, if the user want to sign in from here, then register user, we can add the employee from here also. We have added the employee, we have basically sign up, so it will be added here. You can see that. If I just we can sign in also, sign in. If you want to make the admin, then we just write the code admin, then he will be make as admin. So basically this was the application. Now coming to the code. So this is index.js file. So it is the entry point of the project. Sorry for the inconvenience. So this is the part where I required express the port which will be used, assigning port, and I am requiring the express EJS layout here, and I just setting up the views for the view engine, and I am using Flash middleware. So I am using passport for the authorization, and all that. This is the authorization for the passport, and I am setting up the passport, and this is the app is listening to the port 8000, and this is basically all about it. And coming to the views, these are all the views. Here sign up views, this is sign in views, this is the layout for the EJS, the layout. This is the home view, you can see the home view. This is a forget password. Basically the forget password, it will enter this page. This is the employee details, and all the employees will be shown in this by this view. This is the admin view, admin assign the tasks and anything. This is the admin, this will enter the page as admin, add employee. Basically this will come when we add any employee. This is a header and footer, this is all. So views, and coming to the controllers, this is the user controllers. They sign in, to enter the sign in page. It will create the session. If the person want to sign in, the sign up, it will enter the sign up page. It will create the account for the user, and put all the inputs in the database. And this is the destination for the logout. The forget password, this is for the forget password page renderation. This is a forget, by this you can change the password. This page will render the add employee. And if you want to make any person, if any admin want to make any employee as admin, then this is the controller for that, function for that. Here you can see, if the password returns admin, then it will make an admin. This is the admin controller. This will enter the assign work page, where we can assign the works to the employee. This function will render the employee details, employee list. And this function set reviewer, and review is to set the sender and receiver of the reviews in database. And it will make a new admin. it will make our employee as admin, this function. And if you delete any admin, delete any employee, then this function will make it. And for the add employee, it will just enter the add employee page. It's the home page. It enter the home page, home controller. And this is a review controller. If you want to create a new review, then this function will be called to enter a new review. Here you can see we just getting the recipient from the previous page, and just doing the work and setting the data, putting the inputs from the browser to the database. This is all for the controller. These are the routes. This is the user routes for sign in, sign up, and for the passport authentication. For the sign in, they create, sign out, forget password, add employee, make admin. And this is the routes for the admin. These are for the getting the assignment and passport. The check authentication, we are using the function to check the only the authenticated employee will get access to the admin. And this is the view employee, set reviews, new admin, delete employee with the on the basis of ID, and add employee. This is basically the index, the main route from where all the route will be directed. This is the home controller route and the user, admin, and reviews. This is the review router, and on the basis of the ID, the new review will be created in the database and it will be shown according to the person or employee. This is route. Coming to the models, we have two models. User. In the user, we have, in this schema, we have name, email, password. Is admin is true or false? User to review, and review receive form. So and another one is review. The review schema, we have content, the message from the message, who is reviewing and who is being reviewed. And these are two models. And now the config file, this is a mongoose.js to connect the mongoose, and here we are giving the name of the MongoDB database, the employee review development. Here you can see that employee review development. And this is the passport local strategy for the passport local strategy file, and this is the flash middleware file. So this is all our config, and this is the package.json, the author license, and all the necessary dependencies are installed here, and the entry point and everything. So basically these are all about the project. Thank you.